Function to get contestant names with validation. Gumamit tayo ng vector string. Tapos dito naman, gumamit tayo ng int variable. Enter name for player. Dito naman, mag-input tayo ng name ng mga player sa cout. Tapos, check if name is empty, white space only. Dito naman, pag player cannot be empty, dapat mag-enter ka ulit ng ibang player. Tapos dito, error, player name cannot be empty ulit. Dapat hindi pwedeng maging empty yung player. Tapos, player names must be unique. Dapat kakaiba yung name, name ng player mo. Function to generate boxing schedule combinations without repetitions. Dito naman, gumawa ako ng schedule kung saan bawat manlalaro ay makakalaban ng bawat isa sa isang beses lamang. Enter the name of player. Ito naman yung tignan natin yung output. Kapag pinindot mo yung 1, invalid input. There must be at least 2 players. So, ulitin natin. Kailangan mag-input tayo ng 2. Ayan, tapos enter name for players, player 1. So, kung player natin ang una is kahit mawala naman tayo, Jordan. As player 2 naman, Lebron. Ayan, badminton schedule. Yun, more ako to. Dito naman guys, try naman natin 4. Tapos, enter name for player 1. Jordan, Lebron, Curry, Kyrie. Ayan guys, tignan nyo. Walang umulit na dyan. Walang umulit na magkalaban kasi kada isang player, lalabanan niya lahat ng mga ibang player guys. Kaya ganyan. Game 1, Jordan versus Lebron. Game 2, Jordan versus Curry. Jordan versus Kyrie. Lebron versus Curry. Lebron versus Kyrie. Curry versus Kyrie. Kaya tingnan nyo guys, walang umulit na magkalaban. Yun lang guys, thank you so much. Sana may natutunan kayo.